Okay, start next day. I've made it through another shift. The dolls seem different today. Their eyes, I swear they followed me. Sim. Like, come on, pati yung ulo. I move across the factory. I keep telling myself it's all in my head. But this play is getting to me. I can feel it. Namon, it's not getting you. They're getting you. Okay, dahil bad sign yun. Come on, day 3. Panaginip ka lang ayoko na. Workshop. Ilaw. Thank you. May bago ah. Ano to? New employee. I got some business to handle elsewhere, so I won't be around the factory today. There's a new task for you. We've got a bunch of dolls that have missing eyes, hands, legs, or head. Throwing those into trash from now on is prohibited. You'll find all the info you need in the repair room behind you. Don't mess it up. Away mo. Ay, bungad agad. Wala ka naman, dispose ko agad. Chagot. What? Bakit may Bakit ganyan? Lock in place. Ito. This is the Caperon. If a doll missing body parts, place it on the holding stand and attach missing limbs. If the doll is missing hair, there's a special tool behind the holding stand. Use it to create new hair. Do not put your head inside it. It's not a hair dryer. Someone tried once. Oh, hindi. Come on. So, ano missing dito? Paa at kamay. Ito. Right leg. Nabara. Okay. Kamay. Ito. Right. Ay. Hindi yan. Okay. Kamay. Na, hindi yun very nice. Isa pa nga. Okay. Maganda yung mong ipin. Bye. Come on, pera. X. Lima, 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 lima. Lima, lima. Nah, I'm taken, man. Come on, bye-bye. X. Okay. Lima, 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 lima. Lima ba? Ito. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, sweet chicks. Bye-bye. Hotdog, hotdog. Okay, next. 5, 5, 5, 5. Alam ko ako lang mag-isa. Bakit may naginig akong katok doon? What the f is that? Don't blink too often. What do you mean? Nah, bro. Ito, fly oh. Fly to the disposal, man. Bye-bye. Next. 5, 5, 5, 5. Ay! Ito mo. Gumagalaw sila. Bakit? Oh, bye-bye. Disposal. Next. Okay. It's normal. Pumpkin lang naman. Ang cute ah. 5, 5, 5. Oo na. Sige. That was very nice. Bye-bye. Next. What the heck? Paano to turn off? Ano yun? Wala ka dyan. Nah, bro. I'm out of here. Wala ka dyan. Kailangan ko pera. Okay. Kamay. Saan ba ito? Hello din. What do you mean? Don't blink. Come on. Bye-bye. Next. Oh, nakakatakot yung paghintag na to. Visit. Atong urgent. Order question mark. We have received a report about an unusual door with the claims that it moves on its own when unobserved. The encounter must be packed and sent via fulfillment room immediately with this order slip attached. Move when unobserved. Whether the appearance single yellow eye. Okay. Kulang lang siya ng ulo. Okay. Okay. Oh, may mata. Bohok. Oh, astig. Tapos nagkakabuhok na, oh. Angas. Uy, si ano, gotta fall in love. Oh, mama. No, man. Gotta fall in love. Oh, mama. Bye-bye. BTS pala yun. Si BTS. Behind the scene. Okay. Lima. Hello, then. Bye-bye. Hello, goodbye. Next. 55. Anim yung paa mo. Bye-bye. Ano yun? Bakit may upuan na dyan? Ano don't blink? Ba't bumiblink yung ano icon doon? Holy shit. Ba't nag-yoga? Okay, 5. Oh, sige, bye-bye. Oh, pause. Oh, hell no. Nah, fuck it. Ito yun. Bye-bye. Putik, ba't nagbiblink yun? Ilaw. Ayoko ng ganyan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Holy shit. Ando dun yung manika. Ngayon nandun na. Ano nangyari dun? Bye-bye. 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 Tatakutin mo pa ako. Ilaw. Please, awa na lang. Thank you. Send that shit. There. Okay na ba? Ano yun? If you're reading this, you've been trapped. What do you mean? The fulfillment room door shut and you can't get out, right? Oo, ano ginawa mo? Don't panic, there's a way out. I squeezed into the lift shaft and pressed the dispatch button. It took me to another place from where I have found the way back to my workplace. What do you mean? I'm leaving this note in the shaft in case you get stuck too. I hope you manage to escape and figure out what is going on. If I haven't already, the worker before you. Ayoko na. Bakit ako papasok dyan? Hindi. Oh my god. Yun nga lang talaga yung paraan. Come on. Bakit nandiyan yung manika? Diyos ko, gusto ko na lang magkapera man. Malis dito. Come on, ano to? Okay. Ano yung parang dugo pag ano? Okay, out of there. What the heck is this? Ang lugar to. Come on, nagiging... The f... Come on, back up. Come on. Kailangan lang natin makaalis dito. Come on. Bunny hop. Okay. Close. Come on. Ano yung weird na ng lugar na to? Ano yun? May note din dito. This place is bigger than I thought. Why was it built this way? Why are there so many boxes? Why can I find an exit? K. Who the fuck is K, man? Come on, K. Saan ako? Gagi. Ano to? Maze? What the heck? If you're reading this, you're still alive. Hopefully. What do you mean hopefully? You might be trapped. The doors here lead nowhere and the stairs bring you back to where you started. There's no exit. Bakit mo pa ako pinadaan doon? Sinipa ko na lang yung pinto. Follow the blinking light if you want to get out. Just don't let them catch you. Sinong huhuli sa akin? Come on. Si Kay na naman. Sino si Kay? Blinking light. Oh, ayun. Blink. Oh, hell naman. Diyan talaga daan ko. Blinking light dyan. Hindi. Sinabi niya yan. Dito daw. Oh. Okay. Oh, nag-glitch ako. Ah! Blinking light. Oh, yun pa rin. Blinking. Hindi ko... Sabi don't blink kanina. Ah! May up arrow. So, ano susundan ko naman? May blinking. Oh, ito nga. Ah! Ito na ba yun? Oh my god. Factory ba to? O ano na to eh? Anomaly factory na to eh. Ano to? Uy, may note. Footsteps. I hear them all the time. Sometimes I see the shadows of the hallway. Effect agad may nakita ako nalaglag. I'm the only one who except the director and the dolls. Ay, nalalaglag na. Come on. Wala mo na. Exit. Walang exit. Come on. Ano nangyari naman? Oh shit! Hindi. Ba't ka nalaglag? Ano to? Puro box. Come on. Kita ka. Okay. Doon may ilaw doon. Bakit pa ba to? Bakit ganito? Ano to? Come on. Hindi. Wait. Bye-bye. Buti walang manika. Yan, magsaka kagad. Alis na ako. Okay. Pensa na ako. Oh, ano to? Back rooms? Sabi nila, sa dulo ka lang, okay lang. Okay, sa dulo. Tingnan natin. Ilaw, please. Thank you. What the fuck? What? Ano yun? Bala ka dyan, ilaw, please. Thank you. Ano yun? Perform quality check. Na para bang nothing happened. What the fuck is that? Kailangan akong mag-work.
Hello?
Don't
Hi.
click. Ano yun? Ba't may clown dito? Ano to? Oh, no. Defective. Bakit siya gumaganon? Oh, bye-bye. Uy, bye-bye. Bala ka dyan. Come on. Gusto ko na mag-work. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hindi yun very nice. Anong nakita ko doon? Come on. Next. Kulang ng paa. Okay. So, ganun lang. Na parang nothing happened. Paa. Ah, sweet cheeks mo mukha mo. Bye-bye. Okay, next. Hello then, and goodbye. Bye-bye. Gusto ko lang. What the fuck? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. What the fuck? Magalaw siya. Eh, no way man. Disposal. Oh, pala ka dyan. Bye-bye. Ito. Nah, bro. I'm taken. Ito. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5.
A knife is a safe and fun toy.
Nah, saksakin mo sa gilid mo. Bye-bye. 5. Oh my god, ano yun? Hindi. Bye-bye. Hindi yun very nice. So, agad may nagbukas na naman ng pinto.
Sin.
Oh my god. Ayun. What the fuck? Hindi. Hello. Hello din. Hindi. Huwag ka na mag-hello. Awa na lang. Bye-bye. Bro. I'm taken again. Bye-bye. Monta ka na. Kahit wala amo. Ang lakas na magparamdam dito. Bye-bye. Next.
This is an automatic
What
message
the?
from the director. If you're listening to this, it means you've done your job for today and can go home now.
Good perfectionist.
Thank you for your service.
Okay. No, hindi ko kayo ma-fix. Bye-bye. Tapos sa shift ko. Come on. Magpa-fix kayo sa iba. Tapos sa shift ko, awa na lang, oh.
You have managed to do your basic responsibilities on your workplace while I was
Wala
absent.
negative.
Good.
Guys,
Keep it up.
yan. Lagi ka na lang absent. Come on, man. That room with boxes, I still can shake it. Come on, oo. Kahit ako. Hindi yun.